Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, I hope that you're absolutely fine and great today, whatever you are, whatever you're doing. I am alhamdulillah also fine, feel absolutely great. Today I'm here with a person, his name is Polish Dada. I call him Dada, but he is here as a teacher, as an instructor. This is actually TDC training center and this is located in Faridpur. Actually I'm here to train myself. I'm here to take a course. This course name is Pre-Departure Orientation Course. Actually, this course is especially for those who are going abroad, like Saudi Arab, Oman, Dubai, like me. So this course is really fantastic because whenever we plan to go abroad, we really need to know what we are going to do, what kind of visa we have, what kind of problem we can face. So all these things we have to know at first before going abroad, before traveling to any other country. So at first we have to know all the things very clearly. This course is designed by all the necessary elements, and especially Akhtaruজ্জামান sir, our honorable principal of TTC, he has taken this initiative and he is one of the good and great instructors of this course. Whenever we go abroad, we face a lot of problems. We do not find a solution. That's why they have taken a great initiative, especially our honorable principal sir, Akhtaruজ্জামান sir. He has taken a great, tremendous initiative to train us actually. And I think after taking this course, after taking this training, we'll be tremendous, we'll be fantastic. We won't find any problem. We won't face any problem. Whenever we go abroad, we really need this course. It is really necessary and essential. And today I'm here with my honorable and beloved Polish Dada. He is here as a teacher. Basically he's training us and he likes me a lot, he loves me a lot. I also like him a lot, and his speech is really like a magic, okay? I love his speech. So if you are interested in going abroad or any country like Dubai, Oman, Saudi Arabia, please at first train yourself and know thyself. There is a great talk that is know thyself, নিজেকে জানো. So বিদেশ যাওয়ার আগে অবশ্যই নিজেকে জানতে হবে কিভাবে কি করতে হবে. At first you have to know all these qualities. You have to train yourself. You have to be qualified. Otherwise you'll face basically a lot of problem. Okay, so train yourself and go abroad, earn a lot of money. Thanks a lot for watching this video. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you are doing great, and you'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. You have a great day. Peace out.